What's up everyone and welcome back to another video. Today we're going to see how to log into Bank of America online. First thing first, open your web browser and go to the official Bank of America website at bankofamerica.com. On the home page, you'll see a sign-in box in the top right corner. For personal accounts, leave personal selected. For business accounts, you can switch to business if needed. Now type your online ID in the first box. This is the username you created when registering for online banking. Just click continue to proceed. Now type your passcode in the next box. Make sure password is entered exactly as you set it, paying attention to uppercase, lowercase and special characters. You can check the box to show your password if needed. Now click sign in. Once done, Bank of America may ask for extra verification. Just finish them, and once logged in successfully, you'll be able to enjoy all features of the Bank of America website. Thank you guys for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips and tricks like this.